220. That can't be a 4-ton. 4T. That's way oversized. Looks like a 4-ton, which is way oversized for this little space. Can't stop a train. A little 2-tonner in here. It's got only what, 16-inch, 14-inch flex coming on a return. It's up on hangers. The outside unit's not running. It's gone calling for coolant, but nothing's running. We'll check it outside, see what's going on with it. Look at this little fucking space for 4 tons. You could be kidding me. I don't know if that's a 4-ton or not, but go back with a little 2-ton. This is not even being cooled off here. Flipping room is tiny. That and this little bathroom. For 4 tons, way oversized. Oh, I didn't see that. Sounds like the compressor's running. I don't think there's any gas in it. Oh, she's a fucking leaker. She's a leaker. Not good. No gas in it. I can hear the compressor on it. She's a leaker. She's a leaker. Yeah. I don't think there's any gas in it. Let's find out. He wants to change the fucker anyway, so. I ain't gonna run like that for long, I'll tell you. It should be an R22. What are you thinking? I'm thinking probably pulling in a vacuum. That's what I'm thinking. Yep. 1.8, pulling in the vacuum. Shit out. See what we got here for a fucker. I think it's a... I got some frog action happening here. He's a fucker. She's fried. Fried chicken. Wow, look at this. Look at this shit. The fucking thing was running too. Oh, look at that. It's all fried. Something got fried up there, but compressor was running, the fan was running. What we got for? It's a 4-ton. I don't know, 24B. It might be a 2-tonner. I don't know. 4T WX60 24B 111000AA. I'm gonna get his flipping legs out of there. He's in the way. Let's see good now. Yeah, there we go. He needs a new system here. It's out of gas. Look at that fucking fried chicken. Not good. Look at standing pressure. 2.9 pounds with it off. Okay. Ain't good. leaker. Yeah, she's a leaker. Oh, good. Might be a 4-ton, I don't know. I'm thinking, hope not, but stainless disconnect on this thing. Right here, it should say model and serial. It's an R22. No, it's 410. It's 410A. Way oversized. I just put that one in recently for the first floor. It's been running good. You're not gonna fill my stuff up with stuff, are you?
No, sir.
Just windows?
Huh?
Just windows?
Yeah, just a trim.
Just the trim.
Yeah, but we're doing a whole bunch. All the soffits coming down and stuff.
Oh,
like
okay,
that.
yeah.
So when we get to that, we'll throw some covers.
All right, yeah. What you'll do is just make sure you shut the disconnect off when you throw the cover on it. See
all right, all right.
Put the disconnect down if you put a cover on this, because if not, if you leave that going and it runs, it'll blow all the mechanism out.
All right, I'll make sure.
Yeah, make sure you shut it off, because don't cover it, because if it calls inside, it's gonna run and you fuck this thing up.
Yeah.
Big
We
time.
won't be here till like next week down here. We're starting up there.
Yeah, you have to be careful.
Just,
I'll call the homeowner and I'll tell him too. Make sure you shut it off if you're gonna cover it with tops.
Sir.